So this is problem number 4 on equilibrium of forces. It is asked to find the value of W, which is required to maintain the equilibrium configuration as shown in figure. We have to find the value of W to maintain the equilibrium. Okay. Here the inclination of W, that is theta, it is not given. We have to find it. Okay. So here the distance will be how much? 1.5 meter. Okay. So here we have the angles theta and theta both sides. So the sides, okay, if I take this as point D, the length DC and length BD will be equal, right? And here 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter. Okay, and this height is given as 0.5 meter. So here it is given, correct? Now you can find the angle theta. So from figure, if you apply tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 1.5, adjacent is 0.5. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of 1.5 divided by 0.5. So by this we will get the angle theta, that is 71.56 degrees. Okay, now the angles are 71.56 degrees. Let me write the angles. 71.56, 71.56. Okay, now I'll write the free body diagram for this. Here the force of how much? 100 Newton. 100 Newton. And here on both sides, what is the force we have in the cables? We have the force of W. We have the force of W on the both sides. So let me take W, force W here, force W here, and the angles are known. 71.56 degrees, 71.56 degree. Okay, so what is the angle we have? 71.56 with respect to the vertical. 71.56, here also 71.56. Okay, so here this angle is 90, and here the remaining angle will be how much? The angle between these two red dotted lines is 90. 90 minus 71.56 will give how much? It will be around 18.44. 18.44. Therefore the overall angle on this side will be 90 plus 18.44, that is 108.44. On the other side also we will get this angle as 18.44, means 90 minus, so overall angle is 90. 90 minus 1.56, 18.44. 18.44. Therefore the overall angle is 90 plus 18.44, 108.44, and this angle is 71.56 plus 71.56. It will be 143.12 degrees. Okay, now you just apply sine rule for this. Applying sine rule. Okay, let me write below the figure. Applying sine rule, W divided by, for W opposite angle is 108.44, sine 108.44 is equal to 100 divided by, for 100 Newton force opposite angle is 143.12 sine 143.12 is equal to W divided by this third force, W divided by sine 108.44 sine 108.44. You can consider either first and the second equation or second and the third equation. You can solve for the W. Therefore, W is equal to 100 sine 108.44 divided by sine 143.12. So by this you will get the answer for W, that is 158.10 Newton, which is the required answer. Okay. So to this we have determined the value of W, which is required to keep the system in equilibrium. Okay. Thank you.